This is Jay from Headlights Depot, and today we're doing an unboxing of a 2009 and 2012 Chevy Traverse. Comes nicely packed in foam, shouldn't get damaged. Has a protection on the lens, just some saran wrap, just remove that. It's a chrome housing headlight with a clear lens. It's the original look, so it's the OEM look and style from aftermarket company. This is made in Taiwan. It's made for Headlights Depot by a company called Eagle Eyes. It does not come with any mounting hardware, but it does come with the clips that are needed for the mounting. It has all required brackets that would come with the headlight. It has the headlight bulb caps, and it has obviously the plug for the harness. It's internal. Remove the caps, and inside it does come with a set of stock headlight bulbs, high beam and low beam. So you've got your H11 and your 9005. This is a perfect replacement light for your 2009 to 2012 Chevrolet Traverse.